This is how you can change the aspect ratio of your Google Slides document. For example, I have this document with the default 16:9 aspect ratio, and if I want to make it to be 4:3, then go to File, and then click Page Setup, and then I'm going to change the ratio from 16:9 to standard 4:3. Or by the way, you can also use the custom aspect ratio if you want to, but I think 4:3 and 16:9 is the most common. And when you're done, click Apply. So that will change the aspect ratio of your slide to 4:3. And you might have noticed that there are some elements being squeezed because now they are in a much smaller usable area. And a lot of times you might want to manually modify the document to adjust with or to adapt with the new size of the slide. And this could take quite some time because this is after all a manual work, but that's basically it. That's how you can change the slides aspect ratio in Google Slides.